What's something your parents did that you didn't understand until years later? Growing up, we were pretty poor, but my dad always packed me these amazing lunches for school. While other kids had basic sandwiches, I'd get elaborate bento-style boxes with shaped fruits and cute little notes. My classmates were so jealous they'd offer to trade their whole lunches for just half of mine. I'd always refuse, proud that my dad was such a great cook. What I didn't know was that dad worked as a night janitor at a fancy Japanese restaurant. Every night, he'd collect the untouched food they were going to throw away. The owner knew and looked the other way. I found out years later when I got a job at the same restaurant. The owner recognized my last name and said, "Your father was the hardest working janitor we ever had. Always stayed late to clean just so he could wait for the kitchen to close." Now I understand why he always looked so tired at breakfast and why he never ate lunch himself, always saying, "I'll eat at work." He's no more in this world. My life went down after he passed away, and I'm thinking to join him soon.